Every culture has a flavor that defines it.
For Italy, it is olive oil. For France, it is wine.
For Vietnam, it is this.
Golden tears of the ocean. Fish sauce. It begins not in a factory, but on the sea. The black anchovy. Cá cơm than. Small, but packed with protein.
We do not wait. We mix them with salt immediately, while they are still alive.
3 parts fish, 1 part pure sea salt, the golden ratio.
Then they are brought here. The Cathedral of Sauce.
Giant barrels made of litsi wood, bound by rattan ropes.
Layer by layer, the barrel is filled.
Tons of fish, tons of salt.
And capped with a final layer of salt to keep it pure.
We press it down. We close the lid.
And then we wait.
Not for weeks, but for a year or 2. In the darkness, a miracle happens. The salt preserves while the enzymes transform, turning raw fish into liquid umami.
The day of the harvest.
The first drop.
Look at the color. Deep reddish brown, like cockroach wings.
We call this nước mắm nhảy. The first extraction.
Clear. Thick. And pure.
It does not smell like dead fish. It smells like the ocean concentrate.
Bottled without preservatives, just fish and salt.
But the sauce is nothing without the meal.
In a Vietnamese meal, the sauce bowl sits in the center.
It is the sun that all other dishes revolve around.
A few slices of chili.
Simple perfection.
Boiled pork. Bland on its own.
But dipped in this, it becomes a masterpiece.
Fried tofu.
Boiled greens.
Rich or poor, every Vietnamese family shares this bowl. It connects us.
Ăn đi con.
It is the taste of mother's love.
Even just rice and fish sauce is a feast.
It is the base of our stews.
The secret in our soups. Phan Thiet gives this gift to the world.
A tradition preserved in wood and salt. A legacy of the sea.
Have you ever tasted the real nuoc mam?
Subscribe to Live Vietnam Journey.
This concludes our first journey.
From the breakfast of fishermen to the sweet duck noodles,
The sizzling clay pots.
The kingdom of light.
the most beautiful hot pot. The crispy sounds. The raw challenge.
The kings of the sea. And the desert safari. We have tasted the coast together.
But the journey is not over.
Season 2 is coming. Next, we head to the mountains.
Or the sleepless city?
Tell us in the comments, where should Lai go next?
Oh.
rise.
Go where the maps end. The adventure starts now.
Cheers! Cheers!
Music fades slowly.